At the upstream end of the forest, the Torrumbarry Weir holds the water level of the Murray River consistently 50 to 70 centimetres below the natural surface of the forest. A cutting will be constructed into the forest from a point above the weir connecting into Bullock Head Creek. This cutting will be 3.8 kilometres in length and will be able to deliver up to 6,000 megalitres of water a day into the forest. There will be a regulator at the head of the cutting to control inflows and a bridge constructed at the junction with River Road. The cutting is designed to dissipate the flow out onto the forest floodplain over its length, thereby reducing the impact of a major flow into Bullock Head Creek. Swan Lagoon is the main natural fill point for the forest. In a high river, floodwaters enter the lagoon and disperse into the forest through two major creeks. To prevent water supplied through the Torrumbarry cutting short-circuiting back into the River Murray, regulators will be constructed at the two entrances to the lagoon. Thule Creek exits the forest to the north at the midway point. A regulator constructed here will keep water inside the forest while providing the flexibility of some flows into the creek and through to the Wookul River. When available, these escape flows will provide valuable environmental water into this adjacent system. A return channel into the Murray River will be constructed adjacent to Crooked Creek, approximately 60 kilometres upstream from Barham. This channel will help provide water savings by the direct return of flows back into the river. It will also provide an outflow or spillway system to protect downstream structures. A regulator will be constructed in the channel to provide maximum management flexibility. A floodway or shallow clearing slightly north of this channel will assist in the drawdown of the inundated area and improve the volume of water that can be returned directly to the Murray. A new levee around the downstream perimeter of the Koondrook forest will provide landholders adjacent to Barbers Creek some security against flooding during watering events. This bank will replace existing privately owned structures, ensuring consistency in construction design and bank integrity. The levee will be approximately 50 kilometres long, 4 metres wide at the crest and an average of 1.5 metres in height. This levee will also form part of the Barham Township's existing flood mitigation system. The final levee location has reflected input from both local government and the adjacent community. Three major creeks form the natural downstream outflow points for the Koondrook-Perricoota forests. They are the Calf, the Cow and the Barber. These creeks are significant in size and are crossed while travelling on the Moolameen Road just north of Barham. Regulators will be installed along the levee in each of these creeks to manage the drawdown of watering events. These regulators will control the inundation level, the duration of the event and the drainage time. The majority of flows exiting forests through these regulators will find their way into the Barber Creek system, which in turn outfalls into the Wookul River and eventually back into the Murray.